see the three modes of the Osmo Pocket 2. One is the FPV, another is tilt lock, and third is follow. Also, I will show you some settings where you can easily change the different mode. Like now we are
Tilt
into
lock mode. This mode is all about control and precision. When you activate tilt lock, the gimbal locks the tilt axis. It means the camera won't tilt up and down as you move. So it stays level no matter what, which is the ideal for capturing the stable horizontal shots. Great for tracking shots or when you need to move sideways. Pro tip to use tilt lock when filming moving object or people from a side. It creates a clean professional feel and allow you as a viewer to focus on the subject without distraction from the camera movement. The next one is FPV mode or a first person view mode. This is where thing gets exciting. In FPV mode, the camera mimic your movements more freely following every tilt, pan and the roll. It's almost like you are inside the camera and seeing the world from its perspective. If you're aiming for more immersive and dynamic shots, this is the mode you will love. A helpful tip here, FPV mode can be a great creative transitions too if you're moving from one scene to another. FPV is a natural motion and adds layers of excitement to your cuts. Don't be afraid to experiment with the extreme angles and movements. FPV mode is perfect for action shots, whether you are capturing sports, fast-paced movement, or a creative transition. This mode lets the gimbal move in sync with you, giving you a footage or a more spontaneous, energetic feel, and the result dynamic footages that feels raw and alive. And the last mode is follow mode. This is probably the most perfect for every shooting. When you switch to the follow mode, the Osmo Pocket 2 gimbal follows your hand movement, smoothly adjusting where you point the camera. It's like having a steady handheld camera that's always tracking your focus. The beauty of the follow mode lies in its balance of stability and fluidity. Whether you're walking, panning, or capturing dynamic shots of moving subject, the gimbal keeps everything smooth without sudden jerk or a movement, as you can see in the footage. Picture yourself vlogging or capturing or a walk through a beautiful cityscape or a garden or anything. Follow mode is your go-to, good to go. It stabilizes your footage while allowing for some creative freedom, giving you that cinematic professional touch. A quick tip, if you're shooting landscape or a city scene, use a follow mode to create a gentle sweeping pan. This will give you a footage or a natural show perfect for the storytelling. And there you have it, the three main mode of the Osmo Pocket. Each mode has its own unique benefits, so don't hesitate to experiment with them on the kind of your content want to create.